Now, the Kenya Medical Practitioners, Pharmacists and Dentists Union-KMPDU is calling on the President to intervene in the healthcare standoff in Kiambu between doctors and the county government. KMPDU has threatened to call for a nationwide protest in solidarity with Kiambu colleagues. They want the governor to resign, saying there have been 136 newborn deaths since the doctor strike in the county started. Let's now cross over in and listen to the press conference.
On the dire situation in Kiambu County, where the loss of lives has become a normal daily occurrence, where 136 families that have lost their children become a political issue of numbers by the county government. We as a union are saying these are not just numbers, these are families, these are mothers, these are fathers, and these are empty dining tables that have been caused by this tragedy that otherwise would have been preventable. As a union, we have stood and believed that this strike will have ended in the first day, or rather in the longest 1 week, had the county government been responsive enough to release the money held for doctors for over 7 months. There's no way county government will expect doctors to be at work when their salaries are not paid, when their health care is not catered for, when the salary deductions are deducted but are not remitted to the institution that they should be. And that's why today we are asking the leadership of Kiambu County, the former president, the legislators, the church leaders, and to the business community, that if these future generations, these lives are being lost, to who will we lead, to who will we focus to who will we talk to? A reality is something has to be done. We are asking the president of this country that Kiambu residents supported you during the last elections. The Kiambu residents deserve the health care just like all other Kenyans enshrined in the Constitution. A time has come that the Kiambu County need to be dissolved because the governor of Kiambu on Wamatangi may not be aged by the deaths even if all the residents of Kiambu wallow in deaths or wallow in misery, because he doesn't care and he has demonstrated so. But these Kenyans believe in you. These Kenyans trust you. Something has to be done. If there's any county that ought to be taken back by national in terms of health services, it's Kiambu County. The county has still been charging patients in the primary health care services. The county has still refused on the issues of the nurse equipment. It's a reality that something has to be done for the residents of Kiambu to get the health care. As a union, we have declared today that from next week, Wednesday, we'll be dramatizing the painful loss of these lives. We'll be on the streets with all our members and with all the doctors, and we are asking the political leaders, the MPs, the MCAs, and the residents of Kiambu, that you are the ones who elected this Mandarin. You are the ones who elected this person who cannot understand the plight of the Kiambu residents. A time has come for us as a people to recall the governor back home, to bring some senses to the leadership that are in that office, that it is the right of Kenyans to access health care and the right of Kenyans to put people in the office. Join us in the demonstration next week. We have also agreed as a union that on 25th of this month, we are going to have our National Advisory Council. A time has come for every doctor in Kenya, from Mandera, from Wajir, from Kisumu, from all parts of this country, to join the action to ensure that these issues are resolved, that the Kiambu County people can access the health care.
Well, that is Davji Atela, the KMPDU Secretary General, there addressing the media on the crisis as far as the doctor strike in Kiambu County is concerned. We'll have more.